It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Storms wherever you look. Hearing tornado sirens and everything else. What the hell? This is December. It's like 3 days till Christmas, and look at this stuff. There's a tornado touchdown in Illinois. It's ridiculous. I don't know if you can even hear me. Probably windy as hell. Or then again, I got my hand over the microphone. But yeah, this is December right now in Illinois. I hope you guys like this. Yeah, I'm at work right now. Thankfully, I was 3 hours late to work today, so I can experience this.